Yo, what is up, guys? It's Finance Fin here. Week 4 of the challenge, road to 10K. We're trading $500 to 10K. I'm here with 9 to 5 Trader, and let's talk about this week. All right, so first of all, we had an interesting week here. SPY hit $400, the SPY, the other index hit 4,000, and that is a huge milestone. Like crazy. Like back in March last year, we were at like the 220 level, like 2,200, and now we're all the way up at all-time highs, 400. Absolutely insane. Played some SPY calls, some SPY puts, won some, lost some. Had a good week overall. Played frontline, bought some calls on that with the whole canal situation. Played that. That was great. Neo had a recovery. All-time record deliveries, even with the chip shortage. Incredible stuff. I was super excited. I think people are sleeping on Neo super hard. I think this is an underrated stock. It still is. People haven't seen the full potential of this company. And I was actually talking to 9 to 5 about this. Like, we think this stock is going to go like atmospheric territory because like the amount of possibilities this has to penetrate different markets is unreal. Like, they're not just an EV company. They're not just a battery company. There's so much more. And we're gonna be talking about this more in other videos coming soon. But no, unreal.
Yeah, man. So first of all, what's up, baby? Smash that like button, guys. I had a great week. I think it was kind of shaky, but it was interesting. So a lot of this week, I was a little kind of hanging back. I was waiting to pull the trigger on some very aggressive plays. Some of them didn't pan out, and I moved on to the next. Now, some of my more secure plays, kind of like Neo, for example, I was playing that a lot more, right? I got that in at about 34, 35 bucks, ended up selling around $40, cashed out, ended the week up today. So I'm pretty excited. We ended green, nothing too crazy, but I do like the results. So that's my week. That's my week, Finn. Again, I agree with you. I think Neo kind of helped me quite a bit this week too. And again, I saw the deliveries today. They were insane. They were insane, guys. I believe it was about 7,200 deliveries. They keep breaking expectations. This company's looking great. They keep on going to the moon, baby. We saw a little bit of correction today, and that's fine. That's fine. I think either way, though, Neo is finally coming out of this big slump that it's had, and it's just slowly creeping back up to the promised land, baby. So, Finn, that is how I did this week. How's your watch list?
My watch list this week is as follows. So I'm going to be trading a couple familiar faces this week. I kind of want to touch upon some of the call-outs we made in the past week, like Mara. I think I called them out at roughly $30, talked about them in some live streams. They're now at like the 50 level almost, so that's a $20 gain on the stock. Absolutely incredible. Kind of some stocks I'm coming back to are obviously stocks like Neo. I'm going to continue watching them, continue watching SPY, but I'm also going to be adding some new faces to the list here. So I'm looking at X, which is the US metal company, along with American Battery Metals Limited, along also with Nano Dimensions. So Nano Dimensions is not a stock we've particularly talked about in the series so far. I did invest into them briefly when I was invested in the Moon Index, which I also think I'll be continuing to watch this week, but I'm kind of focusing more on Nano Dimensions specifically. They are part of the index fund, so if you want to check that out and take a more hands-off investing approach, I think definitely investing into the Moon Index is going to be the move. Personally, for me, I'm trying to be more active here and stay engaged and kind of, take the best kind of trades here. And I think Nano Dimensions is looking very promising. So, 9 to 5, how's your watch list looking like?
It's looking good, baby. Here's my watch list for the week ahead, guys. Check it out. Boom. JAGX, okay? Ticker symbol JAGX. It's technically Jaguar Health. I threw in a little RuneScape joke there. That's the one I'm looking at. You can see how I charted it here. We're following on a slope. It looks phenomenal. I think it is slowly breaking through, and we're testing right now at about 2.2. I think 2.5 is our next stop, and then 2.68. Either way, I think this thing's cooking. DVAX, I've been talking about DVAX in my channel for a couple days now. I think DVAX looks great. Phenomenal cup and handle pattern, and we're seeing a very, very bullish sign here, right? A nice ascending triangle pattern. I like DVAX. DLPN's my next one. Dolphin Entertainment, okay? I don't care. I don't know the name. This is weird. Who cares? Let's make money off them, okay? Check this out. Nice slope, okay? I think it's breaking through, potentially speaking. If we go to the 1 hour, right, a little more clarity there. You can see there hasn't been a whole lot of run up in the past for this company, so there is opportunity for it to go on a pretty nice bullish run here. Neo is on the fucking list, man. We got Neo here. Looks good. Looks really good, okay? Neo's been essentially in a slump like I've been talking about, guys. If we go back to the 4 hour chart, right, you can see it's just been kind of down, down, down. And now we're finally cutting over into the promised land. So I think Neo's pretty bullish right now. Yes, we saw a little bit of retracement today. That's fine, totally healthy. But I think going from there, Neo looks pretty good. And then Mara's the last one I'm watching, okay? So I've been hearing a lot about Mara, and I think I'm going to keep a closer eye on it. I think Mara's been insanely bullish right now. It's positive right now, and it stays proportionate to the pricing of Bitcoin, generally speaking. So I like what Mara does. I think it's pretty unique, and I think, again, they've just been so damn bullish lately, and I think they're still cooking, and technically speaking, they're getting ready for a nice breakout. So those are the 5 that I'm watching for next week, Finn. I like them. I think they're still pretty aggressive. You know, a lot of small caps here. But either way, I'm sticking to my guns, and I like the quick runs. So we'll see how aggression plays out next week. So that's your update on week 4 of our $500 to 10K trading challenge. Again, guys, feel free to check out our channels. 9 to 5 Trader is my channel. Go ahead and check it out. Hit that subscribe and bell. And of course, don't forget about Finance Fin. Go check out his channel, guys. He's an up-and-coming YouTuber. He makes phenomenal videos, does great DD. He's here to help you guys out with trading stocks. That's all I have for today, guys. We're going to get after it next week. Let's see what can happen, and happy trading.